guys, welcome to part 2, and just welcome.
So we figured out Trump was building a wall, and we fought John Cena, but it's okay. This dude's immortal. So
Dude immortal.
yeah, we were fighting a bunch of ninjas. Yeah. You should play this game for yourself. The link is gonna be in the description.
No, it's not. I'm too
You
lazy.
can write a description.
I'm too lazy.
Okay, this guy's just talking about the wall. Okay, let's just skip him. Let's go.
When do we get to meet Shrek?
To get to Shrek, you need to go through Trump's wall. How big is Trump's wall? I don't know what it looks like.
It's pretty big.
Gross. I don't know. It looks like an object. Ah, scared. Oh, I thought we were gonna fall again. And is that a fall? Are we gonna fall now?
Your butt is my face.
This is a downward ladder. I'm getting teleported.
Same. Oh, okay.
This is a good game. It's so funny. And that mean cave dope. I'm getting a Snoop Dogg.
It's okay, Snoop Dogg.
Whoa, what is this? Is this money?
This is stupid dog.
Money! How much
Okay.
money?
In.
Oh, who's this guy?
Can I knock him over?
Welcome to Trump's Wall HQ. Who? Oh, are these tiny things? Where do we go from here? Oh, look, there's a door.
Okay.
Why is Trump so tiny? Why are you so tiny, lying?
He's
So,
looking.
I heard you wanna hack the security system and go through the wall. Yeah. How do I do it? It's not easy. If you want to hack into the wall's computer, computer system, I'll have literally sent you inside of it. So like the Matrix, pretty much. The AI that watches the whole system is called Cybertrump. You must defeat him to shut the systems down. Cybertrump? Yes. After declaring himself president for life, Donald Trump decided to upload his mind into a computer system. Wow, he's really done. Whoa. President Trump now resides in a vast network.
I don't know.
The computers, he can process information 1,000 times faster now. Oh, he's smarter? Breaking news. And if I defeat him, I have to go through the wall. Oh, that's my voice. Yes, the task ahead is dangerous. I will communicate instructions to you. Wait, why are you even helping me? I don't know, lol. Good luck. Let's go. I love how he's so tiny. He's so cute.
Whoa!
Whoa!
That was epic.
I love when you drop. It looks so cool. Come on, I want to fight Cybertron.
This is epic. Epic. Are you here? This dude, I hate him. I want him dead.
Whoa, so cool.
Hello, little Trump.
What is life? Okay. Alright, welcome to the computer system. You're in. What's the building in front of us? Cybertrump is near here, so he put up that building as defense against hackers like inside of it. A new show of memes. It will be incredibly difficult to win, but you cannot fail. I wish me good luck. You can go ahead. I'll be watching. Yes, Serena, we're gonna be in a game show. My God, it was my dream come true. And it's about memes.
Zaina, you ready for this?
Yes.
This day will change our lives.
I was training my whole life for this. If we could get in.
Go!
I think I'm being called. Yep.
Pokemon Go.
Yes. I hope we don't get copyright or something, but like there's no. We turned off all our speaker stuff.
Why am I in a tube? I'm in a tube.
Whoa, look at the crowd.
Why are you in a tube? Are you in a tube with me?
No. I think I'm playing with NPCs.
Oh, I am too, but like, I'm the only girl. Wow, okay. Rude.
Wow, me too. There's a dude with glasses, and there's a guy who's a noob with like blonde hair.
Oh my god, we have the same people. We have the same people.
What the heck? They're clowns.
Where's the real ones?
Mom, what are we supposed to do?
I can like get out of the green light, but like I can't move
What am
from
I
the...
supposed to do here? I can't get out of the green.
I can get out of like the light, not the actual like square.
Oh, me too. If I go far in the corner. What are we supposed to do here?
We're
Come
supposed
on. Worst game show ever. Boo.
Are we supposed to dance?
What the heck? I think all my people just died.
Oh my gosh, one just fell through the floor. One just fell through the floor. All of them fell through the
Oh,
floor.
3 of them fell to the floor.
I
fell to the floor.
We all fell to the floor. I'm
Oh my god, is this happening?
I'm with
Is this
NPCs.
Trump?
I'm
Oh my god.
Oh,
All the
it's
NPCs and I are all here. We're supposed to go
I've
here, I
I've
guess.
moved on from that. It's a maze. It's a maze.
A maze? Aww. I'm the only one who's actually an intelligent human, so I guess I'll have to do it.
Yeah, we're the only ones.
We're the only ones who are actually humans in this game show.
Everyone else is dumb robots.
Oh, I found a way.
We brought you into this world. We can take you out.
Pretty good at mazes.
Did you hear me? We bring you into this world. We can take you out.
Yeah.
I found the way too! Yay! Dumb robots.
Yay. Whoa, it's Shrek! Pictures of Shrek!
Why am I
Oh,
green?
sorry, Shrek, not to step on you. I'll be careful not to step on you, okay? Okay, Serena, you're forbidden to touch... Serena, you just touched Shrek with your dirty, nasty feet.
I'm not on Shrek on my screen. I'm not on him.
It's forbidden. Me? Huh?
Pop on my pop. Zaina, on my screen I wasn't on. Pop. That's what you get for saying I was on Shrek, but I wasn't. On mine?
You're on this tiny sliver Shrek picture. Oh, is that the meme cave?
No, I wasn't. I didn't touch his face.
No! Place. I'm walking too fast. Mayru.
I didn't touch his face.
Oh!
You touched his face.
No, that one. No, it didn't. That was close.
No, you stepped on. I'm not stepping on him on my screen. I think we have different photos. And you'll see it when I post the video. Dang it, I can't do it.
The more you eat, the more you get away. And then the time to end meal. Beautiful, stunning, gorgeous. It's like a meme cave, but it's more like a meme tunnel. And I'm a giant orb. What the heck? What the heck? Oh my god! I became the meme orb. Help! Serena?
Isn't this what you dreamed of?
I guess, but I'm scared.
You are not a real Shrek fan. You do not
Oh
want
my god. Oh my god. I'm so scared. What is happening? This is so cool though. Whoa. It looks so mesmerizing. Wow. This game is so well made. This is so fun. Jesus. Are you a ball yet?
No,
Or
I haven't even got past like the first couple things of parkour.
oh wait for then. I think I'm supposed to see Trump over here.
What?
Snoop Dogg, I
Oh, this tunnel of memes is... I'm a meme ball! I'm the best.
I know, isn't it cool? Isn't it scary though?
What the heck? Why am I rolling so much? Can it stop?
You have to wait till the end.
Okay. And I just got...
Oh my god, is that Cybertrump? I'm scared. The big red figure with glowing red eyes. Yay! You don't have any hair!
I
There
do.
it is.
Snoop down!
It's time to snoop at the big island.
That's right, homie. I'm
That's
back.
right, homie. I'm back. Yo, what's up, man? Glad to see you again. Alright, I know what you're here for. You want to fight Cybertron? Yeah, pretty much. You cannot, but even the worst people can change. You gotta show him the light. I will do that then, but how? I got you, G. Your weapon you will receive has some dank powers. It will not hurt him, but show him truth anyway. Lol, dank, thanks.
Wow, thanks. Hi.
Good luck. We'll talk to my homie, the Crimson King up there. He will blah blah.
The crimson.
Oh, so it's not Cybertron. This is Crimson King.
He must be good.
Glowing red eyes, I saw probably a crown.
Yeah, it's his crown. I'm the Crimson King. Blah, blah, blah.
King. Nice stuff. We already ran around games. So, I must show Cybertron the light. Yes. Snoop and I have talked. Your soul is pure enough. Your soul is pure enough to bring Cybertron away from darkness. The weapon you receive is called the spiritual singularity. It will help you. How does it work? It contains an inconceivable amount of spiritual energy condensed into a singularity as dense as a black hole.
We have a lot of questions.
All souls nearby will be sucked in. Your soul will be merged with Cybertron's very essence. Ew, I'm getting merged with Trump. Whoa, that's a new age stuff. Once your souls are in an infinitely long, dense moment of time and space, you shall bring Cybertron to the light. Okay, Crimson King, I will not fail you. I have gazed into your soul and your heart is pure. I know you'll succeed. Good luck. Is Crimson King like a meme?
I don't know.
What do we do now? Crimson King?
We jump.
We have to talk to you. I'm gonna say bye. Can we go back to Snoop Dogg?
I don't know.
Let's see. Hey Snoop, your friend isn't taking us anywhere.
Snoop.
What the heck? He's saying the same thing.
Where are we?
What do I do? That guy just got teleported somewhere. Or maybe he left the game. But who would leave such a beautiful game without finishing it?
I don't know. But guys, you're going to have to wait till episode 3 to figure out what happens next. Like, not like nothing's happening.